Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a Halloween haul. I've just been collecting Halloween stuff here and there and here and there, and it's gonna be a little collective Halloween haul of things that I just randomly grabbed throughout the months. I didn't buy all of this all at once because things are just so damn expensive. Get it more like budget friendly. My Amazon order first, so picking up the Terrifier known as Art the Clown. I found this on Amazon, which I was really shocked about. Wanted $50 with free shipping. So, I mean, that's a little high, but Art the Clown is worth every penny. So the art is actually from the Spirit Halloween because there's like the little logo there that says Spirit on it. But when I opened it, I was like, why is it so little? I saw other people's plushies of Art the Clown and they were a lot bigger, so I don't know if Spirit has like two sizes, like the bigger plushie and then they have the smaller plushie. But regardless, he is adorable. I love it so much, and I'm fun sized, so we can both be fun sized together. And on Temu, I got this. I got Art the Clown on Temu. Now you can see like how big he is. Like, he's a big figure. Like, I was not expecting him to be this big, and I only paid like $8 for him. I really like him, but you know how like collectors are. They're very anal about everything. Not me. I think this is badass. Back of them. Next place that I went to was Walmart. I did go look at their Halloween stuff, and I saw that they had this Michael Myers. It's called a Michael Myers waddler. Turned it on. I started laughing just because of the way he was like waddling and stuff. This is from Halloween 2. And it was $22.98 at Walmart. I had Michael Myers, they had Freddy Krueger, and they had Chucky, and they had Beetlejuice. But I got my husband Michael Myers because I love Michael. So looks like my hair when I get out of bed. Run! He's on a mission, guys. Get it? Right. Michael Myers on a little waddling adventure. Just a place that I went to was Michael's. I went there and looked at their Halloween stuff, and the stuff is gorgeous. It's just really pricey. So this was a regular $24.99 Canadian because I'm Canadian. This was on for $12 something, but with taxes it came out to $13. So, but I didn't know it was on sale because Michael's didn't tell anybody that anything was on sale. Beeped it and it came up as a sales price. So wooden coffin, it's just black. And it has like these really cute little glass figurines.
Perfect.
That was the wooden coffin with little glass figurines in there. Next is the dollar stores. I went to Dollar Tree and I went to Dollarama. So first thing I picked up were these bows. Got these for my black Christmas tree that I actually got last year that I'm putting up this year. So I got these awesome orange sparkly bows for these little like skulls in the middle. Thing I got at Dollar Tree, well, I did make this. I just got 2 things from the Dollar Tree. It just looks like this. This is a skeleton hand candle holder. So I just got this wooden plaque from the Dollar Tree, and I got the skeleton hand from the Dollar Tree, and then everything else I just had laying around my house. You can do whatever you want. I did do a short, so if you guys want to see that, it is up on my channel. So it looks like all lit up. Dollarama, I picked up some spider webs. They're actually open right now because I was going to use them for that skull hand candle holder, but I decided not to right now for my Christmas tree and for just decorating around for Halloween, because last year I didn't use any spider webs. So I said this year I want to get a pack of spider webs, so I did. Last thing I got from Dollarama was a crystal ball. And it's really cool, like, look at that. There's that one, that one, that one. I think it was like $4. So, and there's just like a little button you just press there. It's an LED candle. I went to Value Village and I found a few little Halloween-y things. Well, I found 3 things. The thing I found was a clothing item. I thought this was hilarious. I just had to get it. I think it was only like $1.99. So it says Resting Witch Face. I thought that was so funny. I found some Monster High Barbie dolls. I'm so happy because I always see if they have some. Sometimes they do and sometimes they don't, but this time they did. Alright guys, so those were my Monster High dolls that I found at Value Village. That is everything that I picked up for this Halloween haul. Anyways guys, I hope that you enjoyed this Halloween haul, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys!